Hello, I'm in a 2014 Cadillac CTS4, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then from your home screen here, we'll go to phone. And then there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one. So let's see, we want to delete that. Delete device, yes. So now we just freed up a space. So we'll pair new device. Then from yours, make sure that your Bluetooth's on, which is that symbol. And often if you press and hold, it'll pull up your pairing menu. And then here's where we're looking for. And it's got these random numbers that do match up. So we will confirm on the phone's end, as well as on the vehicle end, that those numbers match. And now we're synced up. So now that that's done, you should be able to take phone calls, messages, things like that. You can play music. Some newer models, you might be able to sync maps and things like that as well. And then I might ask you to make it a favorite or sync up your phone book, things like that. That just makes it a little easier for taking phone calls and trying to auto connect when you start the vehicle. That's it. And then if you're having issues with it playing music from your phone, first thing I would check from your device, make sure the volume's on here as well as here. But that's it. And then yeah, from your home screen you can click through all your different settings to adjust as needed. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.